Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Digital Solutions. So today we'll start a new series about HTML. HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the browser, the structure. HTML describes the structure of web pages, which consists of a series of elements, and HTML element can tell the browser how to display the content. HTML element label price of content such as the this is such as heading, paragraph, link, etc. A simple HTML document. Example: we can take a doc type HTML and also take a HTML tag, start HTML tag and closing HTML tag, and also next we can take a head or heading tag and close the heading tag. Heading tag has a title title tag, and title tag has a content page title, and we can also take a body tag body tag also has a heading, heading tag, paragraph tag, and unordered tag. Heading tag. Each one tag has a content. My first heading, and paragraph tag has a content. My first paragraph, and unordered list tag has a tag list item. List item has a element. Item one and item two. So go to next slide. Let's break down the example. Example doc type element. This declaration defines the document type and should be included at the beginning of an element document. Next tag is HTML tag. This is a root element of an element of an HTML document and contain all the other element. Next tag, head or heading tag. This section contains meta information about the document such as title, CSS style sheet, or JavaScript files also. And next tag is a title. This element specific the title of the web page, which is displayed in the browser title bar or tab also. Next Next tags body. This is the main content section of the web page and contain all the visible content. Next one is H. Next tag is H1. This is a heading element used to define the main heading of the page. Next tag P tag. This is a paragraph element, a paragraph tag. This is used to define the paragraph of text. Next tag is unordered list tag or also list item tag. These are used to create an unordered list with each list item represented by the list item element. So go to next slide. HTML tags are enclosed in an angle bracket and unusually come in pair with an opening tag and a closing tag. The closing tag has a forward slash before the tag name to indicate the end of the element. HTML provides a wide range of tags and attributes to define the various elements and their properties, allowing you to structure and, and format your web content. HTML element. HTML are the building blocks of an element document. They define the structure and content of a web page. Each element, each HTML element is represented by a pair of tags, an opening tag and a closing tag with a content nested in between. Here are some commonly used HTML tag, HTML elements. H1 to H6 heading element. H6 a heading element used to define heading of a defined level. The different level heading 1 represents the highest level of heading, while H6 represents the lowest level of heading. Point number 2 P tag. Paragraph element used to define the paragraph or paragraph of text. Next point is a tag, anchor element, used to create a hyperlink. The harp attribute is used to specially the URL to the while to who is the link point. Next point, image. Image element used to embed images in a web page. The src attribute is used to specify the image URL. Next point, division element used as a container to group of style others element. Next point to UL and LI list. LI unordered list and list item element used to create a bullet list or order list and list item can be used for a order list. Next point, table, tr and td is a table element used to create a tabular data. Table represent the table itself. Tr table row represent a row and td table data represent a cell. Next point, form input button. Form element used to create a inactive form. Input is used to create input field and while button create a clickable button. Next is spam. Inline element used to apply style to a specific section of text within a larger element. Next point, strong and M. Inline element used to give emphasis to text. Strong element, strong represent strong importance, while em represent emphasis. These are just a few examples of HTML. There are many more elements available for the various purposes, including formatting text, creating lists, embedding multimedia, and more and more. HTML provides a wide range of elements to structure and present the content of a web page effectively.